Hi Michelle, thank you so much for helping with this project. You are looking at a mapping between our prescriptive numbers and IXL homework code links. All right? So every prescriptive appears as a row in this mapping. And the goal of the project is to make sure that the IXL practice links associated to that prescriptive are accurate. Each prescriptive can be associated with up to 3 IXL links. I call them A, B, and C. Not all prescriptives have 3 IXL links. Some only have 1, and you will see that some don't even have an IXL practice link associated with it. So when you start working on this, first thing you need to do is to understand what the prescriptive is. For example, without knowing what prescriptive 3019 is, you won't know if the IXL practice associated to that is accurate or not. That's where the second computer comes in. So you're going to have a second computer that shows the prescriptive. And you can get the prescriptives from the mathsense.com/tablet homepage. You can either click answer keys or prescriptive. I like to try answer keys first because I don't know, I just got used to looking for prescriptive in answer keys. What you need to do is type the prescriptive number 3020 and open up the prescriptive. Make sure you're not just looking at the introductory page, but also all the way to the mastery check. This gives you an idea of the level of difficulty of the entire prescriptive. So you will have this on one computer, and you will have the mapping on, which is the Excel spreadsheet, on a separate computer. Okay. What you want to do is you'll be checking for every IXL link. If it's not a clickable link yet, all you need to do is double click on it and hit enter, and it turns into a link. Okay, then you want to click on the IXL link to make sure that it's pretty close to what the IXL is. You're not going to get 100% match because IXL is not part of Mathnasium. Okay, so you want to check that every link works and that it's pretty close to the prescription topic. As you go through each link, you also want to see if there's any hint you can give to the parent. Note that these hints are for the parents, not for instructors. And what are some of the hints? So some of the hints are, if you find that the IXL is very easy and introductory for that topic, you can write warm-up. If it's really easy, you write warm-up. Otherwise, you can write introductory or intro. And if it's really hard, you can write challenge. So challenge, I'll give you a list of all the possibilities. Okay, it's warm-up, intro, challenge. If it's usually for the young students, some of it are visual. You should write pictures, so parents have an idea that the practice involves pictures. And if it's a word problem, you also specify word problem. Or if it's something fun, sometimes it's like a puzzle, or it's life applications, like turn these fractions in recipes. That's more fun. I don't use that hint very often because it's hard to find a practice that's actually fun. But that's where you would put that those hints. there's a hint column for the A for each IXL. All right. Now, if there's only one choice that's present, like this example, there's only one choice present, you need to find at least one more, okay? If you find two, that's fabulous. But we'd like to have a minimum of 2 IXL practice for each prescriptive. So if there's only one, you need to find another one. And some tips there. The way IXL calls their topics may be slightly different from ours, so you need to be a little bit flexible. If there are 3 IXL topics suggested here, you need to check, every link, but you want to also consider and make sure that they are in increasing level of difficulty. For example, this one right here should be more difficult than this, should be more difficult than this.